How's it going, guys? It's your man JB here, and right now we are taking a look at this. This is the DEWALT 1000 watt power inverter. Oh yes, 1000 watt job site power, 2000 watt peak power, 1000 watt continuous power inverter. So this is the DEWALT DXAEPI1000. So I've been sent this just recently to take a look at, so let's open it up and check it out. I have had it open already, but haven't done anything with it yet. But there we go. There's the main power inverter. Looks like a nice, neat little unit, that. Got some packaging, got some instructions with a couple of wing nuts and bolts in, and then we've also got some cables. So the thing you might be looking at straight away are these two plugs here, and yes, they are American, believe it or not. And I'm in England, I'm in the UK, so I'm not going to be able to put a plug in here for obvious reasons. So we'll just take a look at the unit itself anyway. It's pretty straightforward. We got the unit here. We've got some nice rubberized feet here. So, you know, even when it's just sitting there on its own, it's actually quite grippy. So with any vibration, it's not going to move around. On the back here, you've got a couple of clamps in which you can put your cables. So I'm guessing the idea is here, you've got two lots of cables. You've got a cable for your positive and negative, but you've also got a cable for your positive and negative with some crocodile clips on the end. So if I can just get this off, like so, take this bag off, there we go. So we can attach these. Well, they feel really good. They feel strong and good quality. So we can attach these to the inverter, like so. And then, of course, we can attach these to your vehicle battery. So yes, this is going to run off a 12-volt battery, but it will give you 1000 watts of power and 2000 peak power. So connect these up to your vehicle battery, then straight away you've got some power. Now, this is 120 volt, or in the UK we use 110 or 110 volts. So you can't actually run 240 volts off these. So it really is a job site. As you probably know already, on a building site, you are supposed to be using 110 volt tools. So this is great. If you're on site, you've got your van there and you need some power, perfect. Now, I think this would be ideal if you've got a workshop in the back of the van, because then obviously you can just run your tools and everything straight off it. But you know, you could also take a 12-volt battery onto site. I don't see no reason why you couldn't do that. Connect that up to the battery, and then you can run your two sockets off that. You have also got three 3.1 amp USB outlets here as well. So that's great. And I know you can do that off your car. You've got USBs. Pretty much everyone's got USBs in their car now. But if you've got this on site, then, you know, obviously you can charge your phone, your iPads, your tablets. Other tablets are available, not just iPads. So I guess you would use the crocodile clips if you just wanted some power and you were just going to connect this up to your vehicle and you needed some power for a bit. But if you were going to be relying on it for power all the time, then really you'd want to be thinking about fitting it in your vehicle. And you can do that because these feet have got this little notch in here, so you could actually screw that. You could take those rubber bits off even and just put a screw on here to actually fix it to something. You know, you could fix it to a wall, or maybe that way. That does look pretty cool, doesn't it? I might just put it up on the wall anyway, because it's DEWALT and it looks cool. So there we go. So we've got up to 1,000 watts of AC power when connected to a 12-volt battery. Now that's pretty impressive. You've got your two 120-volt or 110-volt power outlets right here. AC power on the job or on the go. 3 USB charging points provides up to 3.1 amps USB charging power for phones, tablets, and electrical devices. It's got a low voltage shutdown, shuts down to prevent complete battery drain. So that's obviously a consideration, isn't it? If you're using something like this, you're draining power from the battery, you end up using it all up and then you can't start your vehicle. So you're absolutely stuck. So this will actually shut down before the battery runs out, which is a good idea. You've got a digital diagnostic LCD screen right here. And as we've mentioned already, we've got secure mounting brackets for easy installation in your vehicle. Now I'm guessing it's going to get pretty warm while it's working, but don't worry, because we've got a turbo cooling fan on the back there. And as for the housing itself, now this just feels like a quality product. You know, it's DEWALT. I love DEWALT tools. I'm a big fan of DEWALT, and this really does feel sturdy and strong. You've got these bars, these metal bars on the front, and everything just feels really solid. So I would not have an issue with putting this in my van. So this has got a 1-year limited warranty and a 90-day money-back guarantee. There you go. I'm going to leave a link and some details in the description box down below so you can go check it out. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you lot on the next video.